Hello everyone. Today we are learning about 5 technology words that could help you in any exam or any question, and these are very basic knowledge. The first one is AI. AI means artificial intelligence. Number 2 is CPU. CPU means central processing unit. Number 3 is GPU. GPU means graphics processing unit. Number 4 is RAM. RAM means random access memory. Now, this is for PC or computer, and for mobile users, it will be SSD. SSD means solid state drive. And finally, the last one is ROM. ROM. This is read only memory or SSD. So here we go. These were the 5 words that we can use in our daily lives and are really necessary for our day-to-day life. And if you found this video useful, then please consider liking, subscribing, sharing and sending this to a friend who actually needs it and is interested in learning. Thank you.